I'm John Coons, and this is day 32 of Barry's Adventure, my 2018 Columbia River Source to Sea paddling trip. Today, I'm paddling 38 miles from Inchelium to the Spokane River on Lake Roosevelt, the 150-mile-long reservoir behind Grand Coulee Dam. It's a perfect day for paddling. I hope you enjoy the video. Good morning, everybody. It's John, and this is John's 2018 Source to Sea Columbia River paddling trip. And today's like September 3rd, might be September 2nd, but it's Monday. Things have quieted down out here. A lot of the recreational boaters have gone home. I'm in sort of the mid Lake Roosevelt area here, and it's really pretty. There we go. Well, that's too bad. My battery just died on my gimbal, so now I'm gonna have to really figure out how to get it charged today. Anyway, I'm here and it's a beautiful day. Paddle started early just because the wind comes up in the afternoon here, and really want to get out on the water. Just gorgeous. One of the best, I would say, kayak or paddling touring destinations that I've paddled. Just a lot to see, and unlimited beaches for camping, and great for families and paddling groups. For those that want the challenge, they can do the whole river. It's very challenging, not for the faint of heart, but doable. So today's a beautiful day. If something comes up, I'll let you know. Thanks.